Guys, it's me Sanjay from Sanjay channel. Welcome back. Today I am at Hsinchu 5-Finger Mountain. It is located at between Beipu and Zhubei and Ufeng. Its height is 1.8 kilometers. We're just gonna go from the thumb finger to the middle.
So what this place is? It's Julin Temple. So this will be the starting point of the hiking.
Yeah.
So this is actually which place? Thumb finger of the mountain.
Like you need to go inside and then you need to go out. So if you can see, that's the index finger in that top.
Okay, so first now we are going to start from the thumb finger. The entrance is behind this temple, right?
Yes, it's more like a secret temple.
Okay, let's start.
The starting point of the thumb finger. As you know, this is the thumb finger. It says the map.
That this is behind the Julin Temple.
Guys, we have reached thumb. From thumb we need to go from here until here. And then we need to go down to here.
Okay, how long it took for you to reach the peak?
It took mostly 1 hour, but we need to go from here and then to here. It will maximally take 2 hours to climb.
2 hours too. So our plan is to go until
Middle finger,
because that is the highest point. So we need to go there.
You can even see Feifeng Mountain. So you can see these two are mostly useless because it takes really a time to go from here, and it might even.
So what is your plan to go from? Where are we now?
We are now here.
The thumb finger peak. So from here we need to go down and then up and then down and then up and then reach
here.
Middle finger. And from there we can watch some scenery and come back. Let's try whether we can go till middle finger and come back. Okay?
Okay. It will maximally.
It says here first to reach the index finger is 21 minutes. So from index finger we need to go to the middle finger. Okay?
Yep. And this way you can go to the bamboo temple.
So that's the point where we started. So far we have climbed for around 65 minutes.
Yep. The climb was really hard. guys, we have reached the index finger. We are now above 1,440 meters above the sea level. As you can see, many kids are walking, and it is a really easy trail. But we have now started from here. We have now started from here, and we are walking till here. We have
Where are we
reached
now?
here.
We have reached there. Okay.
We have reached the index finger. Just in another half an hour, we'll go here, and then we'll reach the middle finger.
So that will be the highest point.
Yep, and then we take some photos and videos there, and then we'll go back and then to here.
Okay.
The middle finger mountain peak. We are now reached 1,062 meters above sea level. Okay, now let me get this. This is Beipu Mountain down here, and this is the Township, Zhubei Township, the Hsinchu City, Beipu Township, and Ime Township.
You see all this from here? You can see all this.
Yes, we can see all this from here. Hi guys, we have successfully finished the hiking. We started at 12:30 and now we have reached at 4:30.
So totally 4 hours.
But in the middle, it rained a lot. So it took us 4 hours.
Otherwise, how long it will take?
Otherwise, if the rain had not come, it would have been 3 hours.
Okay, so to go to the middle finger until the middle finger mountain peak and come down to the thumb finger, 3 hours, right?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like.